another episode of our vlog. And for today's video, magto-toy review tayo! Here it is! Tada! So this toy...
Daddy!
I'll show them. Wait lang. This toy is called... We'll show you this new toy that we bought in the clearance section, but it's not Walmart, it's Macy's. This toy is called Castle Nesting Stacker. So, meron na siyang meron siya, maganda siya kasi meron na siyang shapes na kasama. At the same time, pwede siyang mo-stack as a tower. Exciting, right? So, this toy is 18 pieces in total. It has storage for cups and shapes. It has stacked cups on top of another to build a tall castle. It has shape sorters and it can sort colors, sizes, and numbers. Yay!
I got it!
Okay, so we're gonna check this out. Medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Okay, there it is. Here we go. So, the first one is, I guess this is the shapes. Wait lang anak, show muna natin. This is the shapes. Don't open yet. We will check all the toys. And then the next one is... The box with shapes.
Mommy, but there.
There. So, may lalagyan siya, tapos at the same time, may shape sorter siya. Someone is so excited over here. So, this is the stackable cups. There. So, pwede nyo siya. Okay, let's show them. Okay, we will show you guys. So, this is how it works. Okay, tama na. Yan. Tama na na. Yan. No, it should be according to size, anak.
Okay. Another. Oh. Not.
So, nakakatuwa siya, guys, kasi stackable siya like this. It's a tower. Then, you can put it dito sa sa box niya, which becomes a castle. And then, stack it like this para medyo mataas-taas siya. So, nakaka-enjoy siya. Good for toddlers. Ayan. Okay. And then, ito nga yung shapes. So, this one, it comes with the yung mga shapes din siya. Like the star, the square, circle, another circle, na parang pwede siyang panlagay pang top ng castle. And then we have the triangle and the 2, 4, 6, the hexagon. Wow! Did you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Bye.
Yes, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. And we'll play it. See you on our next toy review. Bye!
Bye.